Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe, and if you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Hey ladies, so 3 things all feminine women should master. I hope you have a pen and a notebook because this is juicy. So femininity is about being, it's about receiving and connecting with your inner self and living from this point. And that being said, let's jump right into it. This gonna be juicy. The first tip is being the main character. Now, in the story of your life, you are the main character, but women tend to give that role up. They give it to their new boo, or even their boss, sometimes even their role model. Constantly thinking about yourself and giving yourself care and attention should be a regular habit, and you should expect it from others too. If you'd want me to do a separate video on how to be the main character, let me know in the comments. Gems, I have created a coursebook on feminine mental health and it is available to you for free. The link is on the description box below so that you can get yourself a copy. The COVID pandemic has affected our mental health in one way or the other, and this coursebook will come in handy. The next tip is building other women up. Marilyn Monroe said, "I'd rather 1,000 women were jealous of me than I jealous of one of them." Do not be jealous or envious of other women. It takes away from your femininity, believe it or not. The Kardashian Jenners are good examples of what happens when you build other women up. Let's put this scenario. Most women have role models, right? But can you imagine living in a world where our role models never shared their stories, successes, failures and tips? Who will we have to look up to join the industry that we want to join? Right? You see, it's really important to build other women up. The third thing to master is romanticize your life. Now, this is something that the modern day woman ignores, and it pushes them to beg for attention and puts out desperate vibes. So take time to pamper yourself in everything you do. Enjoy yourself. Buy yourself flowers, chocolates, buy yourself candles that I do sell. Dress up and stay at home. Have coffee. You can have coffee at your favorite restaurant. Love yourself. Romanticize your life. And I can do a separate video on this. Just let me know if you'd love me to do a separate video on this. So what do you think makes a woman feminine? Let me know in the comments. Also, I'll have more content on this on my blog, so I'll put the link in the description box below if you're interested.